did he destroy the Israelians? If he did listen to them, didn't they have one sacrifice once a year? That is a proof that the God of Abraham doesn't listen to sinners, and it's really clear. And so CHINOIS, I told you, it's the devils who taught you that. And those church leaders, they are used by devils. And they motivate people not to listen to me, because they know if you listen to me, you will be out of their church. And they will fight against you, and they block your way not to come here. And my question, what's wrong with my words? That if you want to pray, the words that take away from your sins that you need if you want to pray, the people who threw you in hell, get away from them. They are wrong. And I truly tell you, if you are with me, because I am with YAHOSHUAH, I will bring you to YAHOSHUAH, because I am sent by him. And you will become someone who never sinned if you are with me, if you believe in the one who sent me. That is YAHOSHUAH. So let's continue the next words. The words really tell him that I don't blame you, I don't condemn you, go now and never sin. There is no word saying here that this Son of the Most High accepts sins. So give me if you sin. And where John said that John appreciate your sins, that you can sin, that the Son of the Most High interceded. But if John did that, that one is already in hell. He is already in hell if he did that, because he go against the two words. That's why I told you. See John's words. He said, I write this to you so that you will not sin. Listen then with your ears, church leaders who are slanderers. Listen then with your ears. Read it well. First John chapter 2 verse 1 and 2. I told that to you so that you will not sin. So this word is for the people who never sin, not for you who always sinning. So don't lie. Don't deceive people. You are not afraid of the Most High. We are going to see the next. If there is an explanation like this, there is a reason. I have told you that there is a reason. This word is not just played like that. And there is no consequences. Always go against it, and we're going to see what happens next. Those church leaders, priests and pastors, those who are with Allah, Buddha,